morning guys. A pleasant Monday morning everyone. And we're here at Festival Mall, Alabang. Ayan guys oh. Ang lawak ng parking dito guys oh. Oh. Yung parking space dito pa lang yun banda ha. Pero doon sa may likuran, meron din yung parking na ganito. Ayun. Sa may Commerce Avenue, itong Festival Mall dito sa Alabang guys. Ayan guys, laki guys oh. Kasi meron kaming pupuntahan dyan. Ayan, Festival Mall oh. Ayan oh. Festival Mall. Ayan. Meron kaming pupuntahan dito ng maaga. Ayan, napaaga yung parking natin oh. Ayan. Ayan guys, pag gusto nyong pumunta ng mall guys dito sa Alabang, Festival Mall is the best mall sa parking pa lang guys oh. Ang lawak ng parking guys. Ayan guys. Okay, see you next time. Bye.